Hi, everyone, and welcome back to this month's edition of Mavin Methods. In last month's edition, we went over screen share, which is a feature that lets you collaborate with people in groups or one-on-one across the globe through our cloud and look at a map at the same time. If you want to learn more about that, feel free to check out that edition. And in this edition, we're going to be looking at the different user types that you can have in MapMaven. Now, naturally, with secured or with data that's important to you, you're going to want to make sure it's secure, and you want to have the reassurance that all the communications or projects you are doing within MapMaven are safe. And with that in mind, we've gone ahead and made sure that there are three different types of users that you can have in MapMaven. And I'm going to go ahead and explain each one to you and the different rights that are allocated to each type. So we're in MapMaven right now. This is one of my fictitious accounts, and we're in an admin account. We're in an administrator account that has full privileges, and I'm going to show you exactly what that means. So right now I'm in my data layers and folders, which is really where you end up the minute you log into MapMaven. So I want to go over here and click on Manage Users, and you'll actually see that everything I'm about to explain to you is already explained concisely here. But I'm just going to go ahead and elaborate on what's mentioned here in this available roles tab. So right now I just have one user on here, but I could certainly add more. And you'll notice that we have some filler text right here since we are still in beta, but we'll have some more information going in that box in just a moment. But an admin, so we're in an admin right now. An admin can do anything. They have full access, meaning that not only can they upload data or create web maps, but they can also delete accounts and change credit card information. Um, in this case, I have all that put in, and you're not going to notice the difference between what an admin account and a sub-admin account would look like right here. But a sub-admin would have all of these same abilities, the ability to create maps, share them, do anything in terms of actually using MapMaven. But when it comes down to the credit card information or billing info in general, and the actual deleting of an account, if you for some reason needed to delete a particular account, that's going to be restricted to just the admins. So this is perfect for a scenario, for example, where say you have a company card and you have one person who has permission in the company to use that card. That person could be the admin, and they'd be able to delete the account or manipulate the payment info if they needed to, but they can be in the role of a project manager and have several people under them who have the same privileges as sub-admins in terms of creating maps and editing data and whatnot. So those are going to look pretty much the same in terms of what you can actually do within MapMaven. And then finally, we have the user role. And users are just able to look at web maps and view them if they've been invited to them. Now, the great thing is there's these three different types of users, but if you are, for example, an admin, in this case as I am now, but then someone invites me to a map and only gives me user privileges, not a big deal. I don't need to recreate an account or anything like that, or I don't need some special key to access that. I can use the same login info that I use as an admin, and my password and my username are going to transfer anywhere within MapMaven, which is easy and convenient. Finally, as I just mentioned, the simple user account. Let's go ahead and pretend that I'm a user. I actually already have a user account under a fictitious mapping company. And you'll see that now these options are grayed out because I'm simply able to view maps. And I could change my name or whatnot on here. But I can still view a map. I'm just not in a position to change credit card info or edit the map or upload files or delete files or what have you. So that's really the key difference between a user account versus a sub-admin or full admin account. But you'll see I can still view the map that was shared to me and navigate it if I need to. So I'm definitely still able to get around if someone needed me to have a quick look at a project or I was in some other way involved in that group's project. So there you have it. Those are the three breakdowns of the three roles that we have in MapMaven. We call them available roles. You call them user types, whatever you like. But those are essentially the three different levels of permissions that are available to users in our platform. Thanks, and stay tuned for next month's edition. And we look forward to getting quickly ready for our release here. That's coming up real soon. So look forward to our full release and stay tuned. Thanks.